everyone. Welcome to Java Code Threads. Today we are going to discuss about the same problem statement of a last video. That is, find the words those are starting with the vowels. Today we are doing in a more optimized way using the regex. In the last program, we see how we can write the Java logic inside this filter method. So you can do. I have written the logic in this lambda only. If you want to reuse this code, you can write your own custom method. I'll show you that as well. I've written public static void check oval is my method which accepts the string value. What? Okay. Sorry. So I just copy this all this logic, cut this logic, and paste it over here. Okay. And what I'll do, I'll so this is the filter method, so which accept the boolean value, correct? So we need to so our return type should be a boolean. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to just call this method. That's it. Let's check the output for this program. Yeah, we are getting as expected, correct? You can do, if you want to do this using the meta references, you can do as well. So you just copy the name of the class and just paste it over here dot our, and no need to pass any argument to this meta reference. You have to pass meta references operator, that is colon colon. Okay, so that's it. Just check with the output. Okay, we are getting as expected, but for this solution we have written the number of lines, correct? But if you want to optimize these lines, then we are going to use regex, that is a regular expression. Okay, so I'll do the control Z over here. So I'll remove this method. So in the filter method we are passing the each word, correct? So each word in this, what we have to do here, so the word dot uh, matches is the method for the regulars which were provided for the regular expression. So we need to give our pattern. Okay, the pattern should be matched. So what is the pattern we have required? So pattern is nothing but as per the problem solution, we need to match. We have to check whether the first character of the word is vowel or not. It's very simple. So I'm writing that pattern. So we have to check the characters, correct? A, E, I, O, U. Correct. These words we need, this character we need to check. But these are the character we need to compare. So that's the reason we have to put bracket, square bracket. Okay. So and this bracket shows a character class. So we need to compare this any character. Okay. So we have to compare with which character in that case. So we have to compare this character with very first character of a word. That for that reason we have to use head op head operator, or in other ways it's called it as a caret. Okay, so it's nothing but we are comparing very beginning or very first character of a word. Okay, and after that we need so we are comparing the very first character, correct? After that uh, uh, we don't we don't need to worry about the what the other characters are, correct? So we need to specify with dot and star. Okay, so we have done with our pattern. Okay, but our word can have like capital word as well, a capital character as well as a small character, correct? So in that case we need to we have to do into the we have to use a lowercase method, and then we have to compare. Okay, okay, so we have done with our solution. Let's check the output. Yeah, we are getting this as output. Let's try to modify the input. I'm adding English. E is an vowel, and PPPP. Okay, let's try to run our program. I is object oriented English. So we are getting the expected output. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe. Thank you.